Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install and configure Drupal CMS on Fedora 34. Drupal is a free, open source content management system that provides an out-of-the-box web content management tool and a customizable platform, both of which are used to build website and also serve the strategy for managing content. Drupal platform gives business and technology leaders the ability to create enterprise solution that empowers web innovation. Now I'm going to check OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to install Drupal CMS by using wget command. Press enter. Package downloaded. Now I'm going to unzip this downloaded package by using this command. Mention here directory. After unzip, I'm going to give owner name and group name for this Drupal directory. Use this following command. And then I'm going to give permission for this directory. And I'm going to open virtual host configuration file. Use this following command. Here you can create virtual host configuration detail like this, and save and exit. After, you can create MySQL database. Enter your database password. Here you can create database. Use this following steps. And exit. And I'm going to open host entry file. Here enter your IP and domain name. Then save and exit. And restart your Apache. Use this following command. Then go to the browser. Search your domain name here. See, Drupal CMS is loaded. Select your language and save to continue. Standard. Here you can enter your database detail. Then go to next. Installing Drupal. Create your site name and enter your Gmail and create admin credential, then go to next, save and continue. See here, this is dashboard page for Drupal CMS. The process of installing Drupal CMS on Fedora 34 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.